I would like to share a simple and traditional herbal tea that I prepare regularly after retirement. This healthy drink is made using fresh dodapakre leaves, ajwain leaves, tea powder, ginger, and jaggery and milk. It is easy to prepare, refreshing to drink, and can be enjoyed by family members, especially senior citizens. Retirement gives us an opportunity to pay more attention to our health and daily habits. Instead of always depending on packaged beverages, we can make use of natural ingredients available in our garden or nearby market. One such wonderful herb is dodapakre in Kannada, also known as Indian borage or ajwain leaf. For preparing tea for 3 persons, I take a few fresh dodapakre leaves from our mini garden and wash them thoroughly. Then I cut them gently by scissors to release their natural aroma. I add water to a vessel and bring it to a boil. Next, I add freshly cut ajwain leaves and allow it to boil. After some time, ginger and allow it to simmer for a few minutes. Then I add a small quantity of jaggery according to taste and stir it well. Then I add tea powder. Allow it to boil for some time. After boiling for a few more minutes, finally, I strain the tea and add milk at the end and then ready to serve. The aroma of this tea is wonderful. The freshness of dodapakre ajwain leaves, the warmth of ginger, the flavor of tea powder, and the sweetness of jaggery and milk combine beautifully to create a comforting drink. Milk makes the tea smoother and richer in taste. It can reduce the strong, spicy flavor of ginger and the herbal taste of dodapakre ajwain leaves. Milk adds some protein and calcium, which can be beneficial for many senior citizens. The tea becomes more filling and can be enjoyed as a morning or evening beverage. A few points to keep in mind. Use milk in moderation, as too much milk may mask the natural flavor of dodapakre ajwain leaves. Some people find that milk combined with ginger and jaggery can feel a little heavy on digestion. If you have lactose intolerance or digestive discomfort after drinking milk, you may prefer the tea without milk. Avoid boiling the milk for too long after adding jaggery, as it can sometimes affect the taste. Overall, adding a small quantity of milk is a good variation and is commonly done in many Indian herbal tea preparations. Now let us look at the benefits of the ingredients. Dodapakre ajwain leaves traditionally used in many Indian homes. It is known for its soothing effect on the throat and respiratory system. Many people drink dodapakre ajwain leaves preparations during seasonal changes. It is also valued for supporting digestion and providing a feeling of comfort during mild coughs and colds. Ginger is another excellent ingredient. It is widely known for aiding digestion, reducing bloating, and providing warmth to the body. Many people enjoy ginger tea because it feels refreshing and energizing. Jaggery is often preferred as a natural sweetener. It adds a rich taste and contains small amounts of minerals. It also gives a pleasant traditional flavor compared to refined sugar. Tea powder contributes its familiar taste and aroma. When used in moderation, tea can provide a refreshing start to the day and make the drink more enjoyable. For senior citizens, this tea can be a pleasant part of a balanced lifestyle. It encourages the use of fresh natural ingredients and can be enjoyed during relaxed mornings or evenings. Preparing such traditional drinks also keeps us active and connected to healthy habits after retirement. Another special aspect is the satisfaction of growing herbs at home. If Doda Pakre is available in your garden, the tea becomes even more special because it is prepared using fresh leaves picked directly from the plant. However, like any food or beverage, moderation is important. Some people may experience stomach discomfort if they consume too much ginger. Excess tea powder may cause acidity or interfere with sleep if taken late in the evening because of its caffeine content. People who are diabetic should be careful about the quantity of jaggery used. Those who have specific medical conditions or dietary restrictions should consult their healthcare professional regarding the suitability of herbal preparations. If you are trying Doda Pakre Ajwain leaves tea for the first time, start with a small quantity and observe how your body responds. Every person is different, and individual tolerance can vary. For senior citizens, it is always a good idea to maintain a balanced diet, regular exercise, adequate hydration, and proper medical guidance along with any herbal drink. I enjoy preparing this tea as part of my retired life. It is a simple activity that brings happiness, promotes traditional knowledge, and allows me to share healthy habits with family and friends. I hope this video inspires you to explore natural homemade beverages and enjoy the goodness of traditional ingredients. Thank you for watching.